Welcome back. And if you just tuned in, then thank you so much for joining us. You are watching the TNP Special 2024 with myself, Ikama Gusine Ngwaganene. But of course, ngoba wena uyi-VIP yasemhlabeni, then you get to call me u-Auntie Wama 2000. Angihambigedwa-ke, as you can see, I've got Umpendulo Shonga, who was our next Billionaire Award winner 2023 under a category Yakwa Technology. Pendula sir, how you doing? Ngiyaphila.
Yeah.
So I would love for you, oh, thank you for joining us on the show. For joining us, thank you for your time. And congratulations on the award, even though we did last year. So it's okay. Can you please just do a brief introduction of who you are and what your business does? So what services do you offer at Shonga Technologies?
Okay, ngamafuphi nje sisi umpendulo ubhuti nje ohlala kuNositha. So basically iShonga Technology yaziwa ngokwenza i-branding and signage. But the main thing ke esiyenzayo yokuthi sizowakha i-speed point. Is leso kwazi ukuthi uma ukhokha uthephe, that's the main initiative idea of iShonga Technologies.
The speed point you're trying to do, say project enzoqala ngonyaka ozayo.
It's basically implement.
Underway. So how will the speed point here, Shonga Technologies, be different from the speed points we are using now? Is it just because it's a South African black-owned brand, or kunama technologies amanye nama software enzofika nawo esingakazi siwabone before?
Into yokuqala nje esiphezu kwayo as we speak ukuthi manje ngiyazi ukuthi mhlambe if ufana njengathi ugibela ama-taxi uhleli ukhokha ngo-cash, but now due to ke into i-system indlela ezishintsha ngayo nama-owner senzele ukuthi akwazi ukubona imisebenzi yawo, so that now ama-taxi they will be the first beneficiary of the speed point, because if uthatha ama-long distance usuzokwazi ukuthi ukhokhe if uthatha itekisi.
Have you spoken to abantu bama-taxi?
Yes.
And kuyahlangana?
Kuyahlangana because we're speaking to Sang.
Okay, that's interesting. So it's just for long distances. Can I tap for a local?
Local, it will depend on which local imali.
2025, here we come.
Exactly.
So you won the award for technology 2023. How has that changed your life? Did it give you more recognition? Did it boost your confidence as umnikazi business?
Hey, yeah, I don't wanna lie. Doing expectanga lutho because like it's they've been in the game but like years, so ngifunda kubona till today. So manje ngabona lapho ukuthi kahle at least umuntu recognize nabantu manje sebeqala because sebebona ukuthi ubani nomuntu sebefuna ukwazi business, so at least i-clientele from that time impay vele ukuthi umuntu athole new clients from within Eastern Coast and even abroad, because I believe the next billionaire idlala not situated only Eastern Coast. Yes, so I think lokho kungisiza kakhulu towards business lami nokukhukhumala kakhona, so asekubonge nje lokho.
So if you are an SMME owner and now nama collaborations ofuna ukuthi wenze in the future but mhlambe awazi ukuthi uzo collaborate nobani, nangu uShonga Technologies, he's looking forward to collaboration, so please hit him up. We will drop him contact details shortly. Now you mentioned ukuthi you didn't think you deserved recognition, but you got the recognition anyways. Wawini award. You even went up on the stage while you busy umuntu okade nominated naye. So I want you to please take me back to that moment. How did it feel? But you got the recognition, you won. And how did that make you feel? And how did your team receive indaba zokuthi senwinile seni award-winning business? Because showcase khona abantu abakusizayo in the business.
Hey, lokho ngaze ngabona ukuthi even if because sayisho siyikhuluma nje randomly because so two nalomuntu engangimbizile which is uBhodla Kobo usaba sisebancane so somabhizinisi abancane, then there is another guy esasifana sasibathathu which is uThami, ngathi the best way because siyabukela kubona labantu and then it's better because sonke sabantu abamnyama, and then the people that we are fighting with in terms of business is that other races. Yabo, so ngabona there's no need, let it just come forward so that now recognize we are all winners at the end, because getting that award, as much as people took their efforts and money, they voted. So till today, including Babonga, guys, thank you whoever that voted for Shonga Technologies. So till today, Babonga, but I cannot thank them enough, because I think the way I could thank them would upgrade and upskills in terms of service.
Upotla Nkomo Isa.
Yes.
Ah, shout out to you, Isa. Okay, so with the business and you wanting to collaborate, ngiyakubona ukuthi umuntu abantu in a sense ukuthi uyathanda ukuthi usize abantu. What would you say to abanye osomabhizinisi where partnerships and collaborations are involved? Because I see it's a huge part of who you are. So that means kuyinto ebalekile kuwena ukuthi sisebenzisane. But abanye abantu don't think kubalekile ukuthi sisebenzisane. Omunye umuntu ufuna ukuzenza into yakhe yedwa, awine yedwa, athole yedwa amathuba. What would you say to abantu abasha where that's concerned?
I think it's abantu abasha, we must have the mentality ukuthi there's no I in a team. Always think of a
We.
team, we. Never say I. You say I, then you also in SSME. The best way to say in a team, it's only E.
So they need to put that vocabulary up.
Yes, we have to remove I in all spaces.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga.
Now I promised ukuthi for collaborations ngizobapha ama contact details. When uzobapha akumina. Sengicela
problem.
usitshele ukuthi kuthola kanjani mangabe sifuna utilize ama services akho or sinama queries, social media, phone number, WhatsApp, whatever platform utholakala kuyona.
Okay, sikhona ku TikTok Nelson 17, bese sikhona ku Facebook Ungasho Nelson, sikhona futhi ke ku Facebook as a Facebook page of the company which is Ushonga Tech, and Instagram it's Shonga Tech.
Or Shonga Tech.
Yes,
The
then
number?
for WhatsApp ke it's 0634691079. And ke le esikhathi ngicela emphasize ukuthi ke iyaqala ngo7 yaphela ngo6.
Ah,
Yes,
you're
yes,
strict on business hours.
You have to be strict. So asifunde manje so that in future ngasibulala.
Okay, let me put you on the spotlight real quickly. Ngicela ukuthi ngibukele camera usho message to abalandeli bakho nabantu abakusupportayo nabantu abakusizayo.
Angibonge to everyone ongamazi uMpendulo Shonga owazi mhlambe ukuthi there's Shonga Technologies mhlambe wakusevisa and mhlambe ngakusevisa kahle sithi yobe lapho, but if you wanna be a client to us, you're more than free to welcome. And ngicela nje everyone ozobe nominated to the next Billionaire 2024. Guys, wishing you nothing but the best. Sama SMME, and then I hope that ukuthi nizo abawinile bayobe benenhlanhla because they've been voted. Mangawinanga do a collaboration. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your time and thank you for your wonderful amagama. Ishi singisi singihambile but ngifuna amagama obanikeze wona. Cishe ngathi ama words of induduzo.
No problem. sis.
Okay, now lastly, the question I ask everyone who's on the show.
Yes.
Mpendulo of Shonga Technologies, are you the next billionaire?
Yes, I am. I think I should be the next billionaire before 35 years.
You're even putting a time frame to it.
You
Look
have
at you.
to. I have to.
Oh, that's amazing.
As much as I'm young, but time is man.
I know that.
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best and thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for also tuning in and being a part of the episode. But so please do stay tuned in so that you can see ukuthi yiphi enye ibillionaire futhi ngikuphathele yona because yazi ngihlezi ngiphethe into right ekhala kahle nawe ngoba umuntu right futhi nawe ukhala kahle. This is the 10-piece special with myself uSinene. But of course if we VIP esemhlabeni then you get to call me Antama 2000 and I'll see you after the break.